What's up, guys? Welcome back. The weather's been kind of bipolar here lately, so haven't really had a chance to get to cleaning up these seats. So I'm gonna do that today. Hopefully I have enough time before it gets dark. Daylight savings is here, I should be good. So let's jump into it. First thing, got the lightning fast again. I know it says leather cleaner, but it's lightning fast. Gonna go through and soak it. Because the seat does have a lot of rust marks on it and dirt. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a few minutes, grab my drill brush, kind of work it, get some of the dirt out, and then we're going to the extractor. It's done. Go through with my extractor. I'll leave links in the description with everything I used. As you can see, the rust mark is just not coming out of there. But besides that, the rest of it looks pretty good. I'm gonna hit it probably another time or two to see if I can get it looking close to new as possible, but better than it was. See how it comes out at the end. Oh, minus that rust spot there. The rest of the seat came out pretty good. So I'm gonna go through and do the same process on all the seats. I'm gonna kind of keep this video short and to the point. This way, you guys aren't watching me do all the seats with the same process. It gets kind of boring. Before we do that, I'm gonna check on the vapor rust because I forgot about those bolts and nuts that I left in there. So we'll see how those look. These have been in here for a couple weeks now. Should be looking pretty good. Off. All right. And let's take a look at it. That's just to show you guys how well a vapor rust works. Actually spins freely now like it's supposed to. So we'll get the rest of these out and cleaned up, and then once I finish up these seats, I'm gonna go through and get those put back in the car, do another vacuum of the carpet just to get the rest of the remnants up, and finally get this video finished just so you guys can see the before and afters. Like I said, I'm gonna keep it short and to the point. I'm not gonna talk a bunch. I know you guys don't want to hear me, so. All right, got everything back together for the most part. Still have to tighten down the seats, but definitely pretty happy with how it came out. I can probably spend a little bit more time on the seats at some point. I'm just gonna let them dry, then all the stains that are still there will show up again. But huge difference. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, there will be more videos coming as the weather finally starts getting warmer. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. It goes a long way and I really appreciate it. See you guys next time.